was just waiting for the perfect moment to do another frozen pizza review. And let's get this one going. Once again, we have another deep cuts from YACHTY'S. And thanks to Charlie of Cooking Secrets for Men, I now know that this is some kind of music artist. But because I liked the first pizza enough to give it a 2.7, I decided we're going to try this one. And this one is a hot honey cheese pizza. A hot honey cheese pizza, what is it? I don't know. I don't think I've ever had a hot honey cheese pizza. It's got cheddar cheese seasoned crust. Where do they go with that cheddar cheese seasoned crust thing? Yeah, I think it's cooked the same amount of time as the previous one, 400 degrees for 21 minutes to 23 minutes. And I'll be honest, last time I did melt that cheese to the roof of my mouth, or I should say my roof of my mouth to the top of that pizza. Man, my mouth hurt for about 24 hours. Let's get this one open and see what we got. Got a nice little easy open access. Okay. Not a single pepperoni with chicken in it. Now it does have a little color on the edges, kind of giving you that cheddar appearance. Looking at the ingredients, that thing is loaded with stuff I don't really want to probably put in me. So here she is, before I throw her in the oven for the meltiness makeover inside the oven. Right now she's just kind of an ugly girl. Let's see what happens after I put her in the oven for 22 minutes. I do follow the instructions on my frozen pizza reviews, and my frozen pizza reviews are on a scale 0 to 5, 0 being the worst. Let's throw her in. Ooh, that's about the dirtiest my oven's ever been. Glasses. Oh crap. Ooh, there we go. I'm dropping cheese. 22. Start. The countdown begins. Of the YACHTY'S hot honey cheese pizza, whatever the heck that is. Faygo Red Pop. Whew. I have not scanned this to listen to some music or exclusive drops, but it is rare that I would buy another variation of the same pizza I recently did. I do not like too many of any frozen pizzas out there, to be honest. Why do I do them? Because you all like these reviews, and I do them for you. Okay folks, after 22 minutes, I pulled it out of the oven, and you can notice there's a little ripple effect. Last time I thought that was because I let it thaw out a little bit too much. Well, it did it again. Really, I threw this in the oven right after I took it out of the freezer, so that was not Detmurds' error. Looks and appearance just looks like a cheesy pizza. The things I do for y'all. Let it be known, I am not very hungry, not hungry at all, really. I am anxious to see how this tastes. You know, let's look at that crust. Much like the other one I did from YACHTY'S with the bioengineered ingredient. Yeah. Oh, does that disgust you? Let me tell you, A lot of the foods that you eat out there have bioengineered ingredients. So let's give it a try. Try another bite. Didn't really get the full effect there. At this point, it's just a cheese pizza. But it does have that sweetness, I think, from that honey, the bioengineered honey. The cheddar cheese seasoned crust. Let's see if I get that when I bite into the crust. I do not get a cheddar cheese note at all. I'm kind of a purist when it comes to pizza. This honey stuff, it tastes okay, tastes all right. If I'm on a pizza, I'm not thinking about a honey cheese pizza, right? It's kind of cool, kind of different, but it's not my thing, man. Here comes that moment where I give it the pepperoni scale rating. It's got good taste. The crust has the same mouthfeel and texture as that last one, because it's the same stuff. On the Detmurds Pepperoni Scale Rating, I'll give this one, I'll be generous, 1 pepperoni. So now I'm just going to tuck the rest of that frozen pizza in the refrigerator because I don't want any more of it. Maybe this one, I'll have it for breakfast. Big shout out to Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue. That was my phone. Crap. Four Seasons Barbecue. Oh man, I'll see you guys later. I'm Detmurds.